Hi, it's Hannah and Lou with WTI.
Lou here is a Boston Terrier and has very short hair. So we didn't really think much about brushing him until all of a sudden he was shedding like nobody's business. There was white hair all over our black clothes and black hair all over our light colored clothes, and it had to change. Gonicc has this de-shedding comb and it made such a difference. I used it just one time when we first got it and I got all of this hair out. It just kept coming out in clumps. And since then, it's been about a couple weeks and I have noticed that he's still hardly shedding at all. So every few weeks, I'm going to use this brush, get it all pulled out, and we are good to go for quite a while. I also really appreciate that the brush and the comb end separate, so it's very easy to store. It's not an awkward shaped tool. So if you have a dog, whether it's a little dog, a big dog, long hair, short hair, I highly recommend this. It got all of his loose hairs out, and it is so nice not to find hair all over my house.
But that's just our point of view.